Camera is rolling, ladies and gentlemen. Happy wedding of Nikhil wed Sugandhi, and a very important day, ladies and gentlemen. Have a look, and then the Tektal event. Tektal Chumani Diwan, Simran. Give a big smile first, huh? On the camera. Simran Chi Diwan, huh? Miss sister, Images Pramila Cole. Her son is getting married today. Nikhil Cole with Sugandhi, and of course we are having, this is the Tektal, and this event, Tektal event, of course this Athor, it's Tektal, very important, and Simran is doing the do, and of course Ali, yeah, this is very important. Tektal diye kora Tektal yete to chuna isband traus. Very important, ladies and gentlemen. Just see, this is very important. This is our culture. This is Kashmiri Pandits' heritage, and this, you can just see that this is Athor, and then they are wearing the Athors here. The ladies, after the marriage, they have to definitely have the Athor. And my sister, dearest sister Sunita Trisal, and the symbol of Kashmir. Have a look. This is Kangri, Kashmiri, the fire pot of the winter.
For what?
Come on, just
this is Kangri.
Yeah, Kangri.
We used to burn the Isband.
Isband,
which is very auspicious.
Yeah, auspicious on this very important day. That's what Bittuji, my brother, is saying. Yes. Roshan Lal Sadhu Saab. Just see how exactly this is being done. This Tektal. Just see why it's being fixed. Lagaiye, mister. Lagaiye, mola. Lagaiye si. Santos. Just have a look, and watch it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this Tektal. And of course, Bharat Bhushan Kol Saab, the big daddy, the big brother, he is doing the acts today. Joy Khandar solemnize. Yeah, I'm coming there. So Simran, God bless you. You have done a great job, huh? Everybody you have decorated, and just you we remember our culture, our heritage. Just have a look. All the ladies are there. The gents don't have to do it. Everybody is smiling and blessing. And of course, my brother.
Very nice.
Yeah, hold this. Yeah, talk something about this Kangri also. Once a Kangri, the symbol of Kashmir, and of course.
आज एक बहुत बड़ा ओकेजन है. हमारे निखिल की शादी हो रही है और
It's Rose of one hand, Rose. You keep on speaking.
और आज हम एक we are entering in one lab, that is Divgon. तो ये mostly आसान जनानी the occasion, and they are performing it as you see right now. And I'm here to tell you all about this. And my brother, he's a big blogger. He's a very.
Sorry, thank you. And then now we come. I have given him number 3 position. Number 1 is the Nikhil, that is the groom, and number 2 is our son-in-laws from, because Neha, I'm just trying to see Neha around. She's not there. But then, of course, number 3, our big son, our Goldie, the golden boy. Once a mola gobar, once a geta, once a. You want to speak something? You want to bless? And yes, Sugandhi and Nikhil today?
This occasion is big day.
Big day. It's a big day. It's the celebration. It is the Kashmiri Pandit celebration. We are enjoying.
It is the very best day for my life and for everyone.
Oh,
who is right here.
Great. God bless everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I wind up this beautiful clip. The basic agenda of the clip was to have our culture and our heritage of Kashmiri Pandits on this very important occasion of Divgon, and I wanted to tell you about this Athor and Tektal event. Whatever small thing I could do it, I could speak straight from my small knowledge. I have just related you. Thank you. God bless. Thank you. That is simple. This is very important, you know. Kangri. This has stayed us with us.
This is Kangri and we have that small.
This Kangri, you know that this has stayed with us, ladies and gentlemen, through thick and thin. You is band asan yatman, is band bag, yeah, of course. This is very important. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. So this is Isband, as he told me. It is because, you know, ladies and gentlemen, this is Kashmiri culture. This Kangri has stayed with us for thousands and thousands of years. During the minus temperature, the bitter cold of Kashmir, when there was no electricity, when there was no heating arrangements, this has helped us to stay alive during winter.
And
So
stay warm for
stay warm. That is exactly I want to tell you. Stay warm and hot during winter. That is exactly what my son, this Goldie has spoken. When there was no electricity, when there was no coal, when there was no other arrangements. Coal was of course there when there was no electricity and there was no arrangements for heating. That time it has. So salutations to these Kangri. God bless.
Staying as our friends.
As our friend, of course. Thank you, God bless.